Woohoo! Kamusta na mga ka-addict? Finally, I received my order from Amazon. This item was sent from the US, that's why it took a little bit longer to reach me. This is the Pro Taper Mini Racer XR50 BMX Handlebar. It's actually designed for dirt bikes. Chromely silver and raw finish with ultra tough epoxy clear coat. Alright, let's jump to it. I started removing the wire cover. Next that I removed was the handle grip. Then I slid off all the accessories from the handlebar. And lastly, the stem riser with bike stem and handlebar installed on it. This is the stem riser adapter. You will be needing this once you remove the stock stem. Insert the stem adapter all the way down until it reaches the head. Then start tightening up. Make sure it's well tight. I also put spacers and this is optional. This is a BMX bike stem. It's made up of aluminum and metal. It's heavy and it feels so solid in the hand. This was the most exciting part, installing the Pro Taper XR50 BMX Handlebar. For me, this handlebar looks really cool and it offers more solid feel. Ensure the alignment of the handlebar depending on your comfortability while riding, and make sure all the bolts are tight. After installing the handlebar, I started placing all the accessories on it. When it comes to the wires, I tried to keep them organized and simple as possible. These are basic ordinary rubber handle grips which I think will match and perfect to the handlebar. And lastly, zip ties to finalize the wire management.